we're still home here in Bulacan. So, yan, pahinga muna tayo. Stay at home tayo ngayon. Or home alone journey. So, ito pa rin yung original book natin ni John Gray. What your mother couldn't tell you and your father didn't know. So, ano ba yung lesson natin for today? Why it's so good in the beginning. So, ano ba yung the early stages of a relationship or the first stage are energizing to both men and women. Before a woman knows a man, she expects or hopes that he will be the one to fulfill her needs. When she responds with appreciation, it encourages him to think, she is appreciating me so much for the little things I am doing. Wait till the big things, she will really be happy. So, yan. At the start of the courtship daw, parang yon yung putting the best foot forward. So, maganda, you are being accommodated kung ano yung gusto natin, nakikita natin. We are being courted, we are being sinusuyo sa Pilipinas, sinusuyo. In the second stage naman daw, he begins to disappoint her by dropping courtship behavior and she stopped appreciating him so much. So, nag-withdraw tayo. But without her appreciation, he gradually becomes more tired and passive and she feel more isolated and overwhelmed. So, dun sa second stage, nag-start na yung ating withdrawal to each other. Parang hindi na tayo ganong loving or caring to each other. But yun nga, because of these advanced relationship skills that we're learning, we can go beyond the second stage and recreate the relationship that we had in the beginning. So, kumbaga, it's an investment. Hindi naman forever is okay yung relationship natin. We have to continue courting each other, appreciating. So, hindi lang daw sa beginning. Anyway, that's our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Stay safe, everyone.